Hello, brother.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you properly. And can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Where are you from?
I'm from India, and I think
That's
you're
great.
from Bangladesh.
Yeah, you're right. I'm from Bangladesh.
Which part of Bangladesh?
I'm from Surat. That's the capital.
Sylhet. Okay, I know Sylhet. What do we do, brother? Basically.
So basically, I'm a student studying in university. I'm pursuing my bachelor.
Okay, that's great. So, brother,
What?
and when did you learn speaking journey start?
I will start my English learning journey for to meet with different kinds of people, and it's also a fact about my educational background because I'm pursuing my bachelor in English language and literature. That is my major subject. So, as an English literature student, I thought that I should must learn English properly. And I had a childhood dream that's one day I will speak fluently with different kinds of people. Yeah, right now I'm doing that. I'm meeting with several countries people, talking to them, and I'm trying to know about their culture, their behavior. I follow their speaking style. Yeah, overall, I'm practicing English there. You can say that. So
Okay, okay,
that's why.
okay. I'm also practicing learning English, and I'm also beginner learner in English. So that is why I use this application. And actually, English is my very favorite subject when I was study at the time. So, but I couldn't speak in English at the time, and now I practice in English because English is a global language and international language. So that is why I learn English. And so, brother, one question for you. Actually, hello, brother. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. And how to improve learning English in actually, please suggest me because your English actually very good and pronunciation also good, I think.
Thank you so much. Actually, I don't think that I speak very well, but I just know that I try to speak very well when I make conversation with someone, and I have a just little suggestion for you. That's try to strong your vocabulary. That's mean word meaning, and you have to practice more and more like everyday make conversation with different kinds of people. It will help your increasing your accent and your speaking, and we will when you will make conversation with different kinds of people, you will listen actively, and it will increase your listening, and try to learn some new word, and try to make in a sentence like those words, and try to use it when you make conversation with someone. And I wanna suggest you a most powerful secret, that's try to listen podcast every day actively with
Okay.
Bluetooth or earphone or headphone. You have to listen actively. If you listen actively, your listening will be developed, and you will guess immediately your opposite partner what are they saying. So it will
Okay.
really helpful for
Actually, this is
English.
my problem when I uh, speaking English another person. At the time, I understand in English, but I don't question any person when I speaking English because that is my big problem actually.
I got your problem. So at first you have to think that that is our second language. English is not our first language. We are not learning it since our birth. We are learning from our birth our native language. But as a second language, you can't learn it with just a few times. It's need
Yes.
more time, uh, a huge amount time you need to learn English properly, and you have to practice every day.